Hi there, YouTubers. So I'm going to show you a little video I made of me lubing up my gas cap. Not really, but whatever. So, like I said in the video, that I used to, get worried if I saw my engine light come on and everything. And the peculiar thing about the engine light, if it is a leaky gas cap, it's not going to turn on the instant that you just filled up your tank and drive away. So it's going to take a while. And then you're going to start blaming everything. So, like for example, I just came from a lube place to get my oil changed, right? So then, right after that, my light came on. So I thought for sure these guys did something, right? So, like I say in the video, just check all your fluid levels underneath your hood, and then, if you're in a tight spot, and what I mean is a tight spot is that. Like my car has electric start, and if the engine light comes on, your electric start's not going to work. So here where we are, when it gets pretty darn cold here, like -20 is typical, we want our car to start by remote. So I've been known to use oil from the dipstick. That works, but the best stuff is a grease. So here's the dielectric grease. This is the cheapest one you can get. Like, it's so small, and you can get this at any part store at all, so it doesn't matter. Anyway, it's clear. And if you really want the good stuff, go find the rubber seal lubricants, and they're white, milky color. Right? So, and you're going to do this quite often, like maybe every 6 months. It's still a lot cheaper than replacing the gas cap. And like I said in the video, it isn't going to just start right away. Like you're going to have to, run your car, start it, and then the computer will figure out there's no more leak there, and it'll turn off your light for you. Anyway, I hope this helps, and on with the video.
Okay, so your engine light came on. No big deal. I used to panic right away, but now I don't really panic anymore. First thing you want to do is open your hood and make sure all your fluid levels are topped up and your oil. Then probably it's the seal right around the gas cap, right around there. That's probably your problem. So what you do is the best stuff to get is dielectric grease. You can get that at any automotive parts place, really cheap. Lube the seal up, put the cap back on, and then just go in and start your car. And in about 3 or 4 starts, like just start it, drive it, eventually the engine light will come off. So that's way better than buying a gas cap every time. So I hope this helps somebody. Bye for now.